To make an electronics and tech accessories website. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can create your own website for free using squarespace.com. So let's get started. First click on get started, and a various wide range of templates will show up to you, so you can just select one of them and it will help you build your website. So you can just drag and drop elements in the template, change some titles and some texts, and your website will be ready for work. You can also select the blank template, where you can create your own template from scratch, but that for people that love to create or build templates. But for me, I'm just going with the pre-made templates because I'm a very lazy person and I like saving my time. So here you can filter templates by type if you want to create an online store, or you can filter them by topic if you want to create a website for fashion, travel, and a lot more niches. So let's go and select by an online store because we're in the electronics and tech accessories. So let's select an online store and let's see if we can find an electronics topic in here. So let's say we have just real estate, weddings, fitness, home, community. So we don't have any tech in the topics, so let's just scroll and see if we can find a template that we can empty and add our own products. So just keep scrolling until you find the good template that you like, and this is the blank template that I told you about. If you want to build your own website from scratch, and if you have time for that, of course. I think I'm just going to use this template, which is the Crossbay template. You can click on start with Crossbay, or you can preview the theme first. So click on preview, and here we can see our template. We can just click on view demo site to see the template in full width. So this is our template, this is how it looks, as you can see. So I'm going just to empty these products and add my own pictures and change this picture also. So you'll have to make just little adjustments, and for the fonts and the color it's pretty good for me, so I'm going to choose this one. So just click on start with this design. If you run into this trouble, you can just click OK and click on start with this design again, and things will be good. So they will set things for us, then they will ask us for a title for our site. So you can just skip that part, or you can give it a title if you want to separate between your websites, because you can create multiple websites using squarespace.com. So for me, I like to separate between my websites. I don't like to get mixed between them, so I like to organize my work. So here I'm just going to give it a title, and the title will be electronics, tech and accessories. Electronics and tech accessories. So I'm just going to type my title in here and then click continue. So just wait for it to load. As you can see, sometimes the platform lags a little bit, so just be patient with it. It's not because of the connection, it's because of the using of the platform. And then click continue. It's not that big deal, you can just wait a little seconds and everything will be good. So we click on close to close those tabs, we don't need them anymore. And here, as you can see in your left, you have some sections, so I'm going to explain every section. So let's start with website. It's where we can add pages or change the ones that we already have, or delete any page if you don't like it. And let's go back. And here we have the commerce section where you can add products and manage your orders, inventory, customers, discounts, and set your payments, and set also your subscription plan, and publish your products to start selling. Then the marketing section comes. So we have the marketing section also where you can set your email campaigns, your profiles, and the SEO appearance, and also you can set your pixels and your ads account. Then comes the asset library where you can upload your images and pictures to save them in here and take them when you want to use them on the design of your website. So you can just save them in here. Then comes the analytics where you have your chart and where you can see your conversion rate, your sales, traffic, geography. Also you can manage and see your revenue throughout the month, or if you want the year, and you can see all of that in the US dollars. So just reload if you see it lagging like this. So just by reloading everything will be good. So as I told you, you can see your orders, revenue, and your conversion rate. And then let's move on to see the settings where you can set your domain's name and your Google Workspace and change your site availability from private to public, and also you can change or set up your payment processors from this button right here. So let's go to the edit section if you want to edit your design or your template or website. So just click on edit and you will see this page expand throughout the whole icon, and then to give us more space to see our design and to adjust the design. So as you can see, they have the drag and drop option. So you can just drag and drop elements. You can change the text by just clicking on it, and you can change it from here. You can delete something or leave it as it is, change the color of the text, as you can see, from white to this gray or whatever color is this. Just wait for it and it will be changed, and a lot of stuff like that. You can edit section by clicking on edit, and then you can change the image, the background image right here. Just click on background and you can change this image. So it's pretty much easy to work with this platform. So I just wanted to give you an idea about how Squarespace works. So I hope I give you and I made it easy for you to create your website. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.